Find the best blackhead masks on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 16 best blackhead masks on the market. 16. PINPOXE Seaweed and Blackhead Masks. You all might be familiar with what clay mask is. This product from PINPOXE is a seaweed mud mask that can help cure your blackhead problem. Not only is it capable of getting rid of blackheads from your nose or cheek areas, but it also helps to crop out the skin pores. With the presence of sea algae and plankton, this allows the skin to calm down and rest from the stressful conditions and toxic environments. 15. Vassoul Deep Cleaning Facial Blackhead Masks. The Vassoul Deep Cleaning Mask is the ultimate choice for beautiful skin. It features a powerful formula to help you get rid of oil spots or stains on your face. Also, this product can moisturize the skin and make you feel comfortable when applying. Additionally, users can also use it to remove facial hair, thereby allowing for a smoother and healthier face. With basic instructions, it is simple to use for everyone. 14. Satin Botanicals Charcoal Blackhead Peel-Off Mask. Infused with charcoal and bamboo, this mask by Satin Botanicals is the ultimate solution to remove blackhead. It is absorbing actions to get rid of unwanted blemishes on the skin over time. Besides, all ingredients are natural and safe to apply on your bare face. Most importantly, it is simple to apply the product just with your fingers. The mask can get dry quickly after a few minutes to save your time. By applying this product regularly, you will leave your skin smoother and healthier. 13. FineVine Exfoliation and Deep Cleansing Mask. If you are looking for a natural and organic face mask, then look no further with this product by FineVine. It is a combination of mud and activated charcoal to remove scars, acne, and blackheads. Also, this product can be used to remove wrinkles, pores, and nourish your face deeply. Its effective formula can retain the balance of hydration and clear dead skin completely. Thus, you will have smoother and fresher skin. The process of removing it only takes a few minutes to save your daily time. 12. Pop Modern Sea Store 24K Gold Peel-Off Mask for Blackheads Treatment. The 24K Gold Mask has been very popular in the beauty and skincare industry these days. This is because it has all of the ingredients promoting anti-aging and providing a healthy and refreshing look. Normally, you can see that it is commonly used around the eyes and forehead areas. But, it is not the only things the 24K Gold can do. Besides this, it is very excellent in curing blackhead problems. This peel-off mask from Pop Modern Sea Store is a kind of 24K Gold mask that is very chill on the skin. 11. Buoceans Deep Cleansing Facial Blackhead Mask. With the Buoceans Facial Blackhead Masks, you can remove all stubborn pores, dirt, and blackheads on your face. With basic instructions, you can easily apply the product to create better skin. The formula contains powerful ingredients to help remove blemishes, blackheads, and acne effectively. Even more, it helps enhance blood circulation, thus adding vitality to uneven and dull skin. Using it every day and your face will look better and firmer. 10. Lantique Charcoal Peel-Off Blackhead Mask. This coveted blackhead mask by Lantique is formulated by organic ingredients to bring the best results. All components are chosen carefully to ensure safety when using. Also, its advanced technology helps clean the face deeply. Thanks to the powerful absorbing capabilities from activated bamboo, it works as magnets to draw out debris, dirt, and impurities. It takes only a few seconds to apply or remove the mask. Apply it a few days and you will see significant differences on your face. 9. Lantique Blackhead Activated Charcoal Mask. This Lantique mask works as a natural vacuum that can absorb any impurity on your face. It contains a lot of natural ingredients that are totally safe to use on the skin. These include green tea, charcoal, or chamomile, which can repair and soothe your face effectively. The package includes a user manual to make it simpler to apply. More importantly, it is ideal for all kinds of skin so that you won't have to worry about any issues. 8. DIOVERDE Blackhead Remover Mask. This product from DIOVERDE is not only for the face, but you can also use it to get rid of any blackhead on your body too. Although it comes with a small bottle and costs a bit high, you can see the result within a few times of usage. One of the ingredients used in this product is bamboo charcoal. It is best known for cleaning pores and by deeply extracting the built-up dirt and remaining grease. Not only this, but it also helps to minimize the size of your pores too. As a result, you will be back to your baby's face again. 7. Aliceva 50G Charcoal Blackhead Masks. If you want to purchase an effective yet affordable blackhead mask, look no further than this product by Aliceva. It is totally safe to use since it is made of all certified ingredients. With an effective and nourishing formula, it can deeply clean and purify the impurities, acne, and blackheads on the skin. Besides, you can also use it regularly to have a brighter and softer skin together with minimized pores. Additionally, the natural ingredients will help to balance the skin oil and make your face look cleaner and firmer. 6. Nature Nation 3-inch-1 Blackhead Remover Mask. As the name suggests, it is not just a typical black mask, but it is everything you need to get a very glowing and healthy skin. Within the kit, you will get 3 things. First off, there is a tube of 80 ml blackhead peel-off mask. Then, there is a set of acne extractors which you can use to get all the whiteheads out. Lastly, there is also a salon-quality silicone brush that you can use for face massage. This product from Nature Nation is very organic to use, which goes well with all skin types. 5. Shills Charcoal Deep Cleansing Mask. The Shills Cleansing Mask is specially created to peel away bacteria and dirt in your face. With basic instructions, it is simple to use for everyone. More importantly, it can boost the circulation of blood in your body. It features a powerful formula to help you get rid of oil spots or stains on your face. Also, this product can moisturize the skin and make you feel comfortable when applying. You can also use it to remove facial hairs, thus allowing for smoother and healthier skin. 4. VELAMO Bamboo Charcoal Blackhead Masks. No more being upset seeing the beautiful face of others. You can always be pretty and skin glowing again with the help of this charcoal black mask of VELAMO. You may feel like the price is very costly, but it is actually not a low-quality product at all. Designed and produced carefully to focus on multi-purposes, you can have it for removing blackheads, whiteheads, or getting rid of facial hairs. This, then, will leave a more whitening, more equal tone of the skin. Moreover, this mask is suitable for all skin types, be skin dry, oily, or sensitive skin. Just that, for sensitive skins, you do not have to use it quite often. 3. New York Biology Natural Mud Blackhead Masks. The New York Biology Mask is the best mineral-infused product on the market these days. It is specially made to remove impurities from your skin and minimize the look of pores. Also, it is infused with clarifying mud for smoothing skin. It is easy to apply and remove this mask after using, thus saving your time. Overall, it is an effective and safe option for everyone to remove blackheads and ensure smooth skin. This product is made of all natural ingredients that can draw out grime, dirt, and toxins. 2. Pure Biology Clay Face Mask. This Pure Biology Clay Face Mask is the product of apple cider vinegar, bentonite clay mask, collagen, and other ingredients that are capable of brightening the skin. Not only is it suitable for women, but it is also the best chosen product for men's facial skin too. This tube will help to save your time a lot, as you no longer need to mix between bentonite clay mask and apple cider vinegar. Simply squeeze the tube and apply it to the area you need to massage. After that, just leave it on your skin for 10 minutes and wash off. You will receive a soft, clean, stress-free, and very tight glowing skin the next. 1. Aria Star Facial Blackhead Masks. This beauty mask by Aria Star is made of organic and natural ingredients to create professional spa-like skincare results. It comes with some basic instructions in the package. You would easily use the product to create better skin. The formula comes with powerful ingredients to help remove blemishes, blackheads, and acne effectively. Using it every day and your skin will look better and firmer. Even more, it helps enhance the circulation of blood, thus boosting the vitality to uneven and dull skin.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.